So, for the people who are regulars at our event, you guys know we start off every event with trivia. And with trivia, you win really cool swag. Today, we are giving away silicone frisbees. These guys are fun. And we are also, I like the oohs and ahs. We are also giving away a quadcopter drone. Now, there's only one quadcopter drone and a whole bunch of people there. So, the way it works is I'm going to pass around this container. It's not really a bowl, it's not really a pitcher, it's somewhere in between. Pass that around. If you have a business card, drop it in. If you don't, there's a little form to fill out. You can drop it instead of a business card. So, someone is going to walk out of here with this quadcopter drone tonight. But in the meantime, lots of you are going to win really interesting silicone frisbees. So, the way it works to win a frisbee, you simply answer my questions. It doesn't have to be the right answer. It has to be an answer that I like enough to throw a frisbee to you. So, I'm going to ask random questions. If you have a way to cheat, do it. But shout out answers. Don't raise your hands. The first person I hear is probably the first person to get a frisbee. So, for the very first question of the evening, from what country are both founders from GridGain from? Israel. Russia's right. Israel. That was our last week's event. Who said that? E for effort. He said that. Let's see if these things throw. Oh, boy.
Hey, we're legit.
How many nodes are in the largest production cluster running on Apache Ignite?
200.
Times 10 is the right answer. He said 2,000 back there. What year was the first production usage of GridGain Apache Ignite?
2009.
Too late.
2006.
Too early.
2008.
In between. Oh, I said that one. Well, let's do this one. How much RAM was in an Altair? If you say what's an Altair, you definitely don't know the answer. 4K is way too much.
1 meg. 128.
1 meg? Not even the spectrum. 528 is way too high. 528 what?
128.
No, you guys are like off by an exponent. Off by an exponent. That's your hit right there.
16 bytes.
16 bytes is too low, but you're in the approximate direction. 256 bytes is correct. All right, you know what? Today's session is about grids, so let's just completely take it all sidetracked and go 134 years ago. The first electric power grid was installed to what location?
Romania.
Romania's way wrong. Think closer. Think closer to Buffalo. Not in Russia, not in Israel.
New York City.
Who said Edison? That's the next question's answer. It's who installed it. Thomas Edison indeed installed it. Where would he install it to, though? Rochester's too far away. Closer.
Syracuse.
Guys, where are we now?
New York City.
It's New York City, that's right. God. Anyone want to guess what approximate community in New York City?
Lower East Side.
Lower East Side is too far north.
Brooklyn.
Downtown is too vague. Low, it is downtown, but too vague. Where? Nashville. is correct, indeed. That didn't make it, Tim. Please pass it along. It was Pearl Street, which is right by the South Street Seaport. It was the very first electric GridGain in the world to be installed. What is the real name of Minecraft's Notch? Nobody's a gamer here. E for effort, for no one who knows, Marcus Person. Okay, I got 3 more of these. Let's do some random abbreviations. You have to know what they stand for. Just shout it out, and someone will get some frisbees. Let's do a hard one since I've got 3. When you're dealing with CPUs, flops. What is flops? Excellent, you got it.
Thank you.
Remember, it's the first person I hear, not necessarily the first person who answers. So I heard someone from over there, but I, gotta go faster than that. All right, let's try. Ooh, this is a hard one. Bash in Linux. Wow, excellent. Anyone know what the Bourne is for?
Stephen Bourne.
Excellent. The creator of it.